Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now we have another very interesting topic. The teacher is asking you, can you write about what you want to become, your ambition? So now you start thinking, what's my ambition now? What is that I want to become? What will I become? How will I go about it? So when you want to write about my ambition, first of all you must say to yourself, what is it I want to be? What is it that I want to do? You have to do some work. Sometimes in your family, your parents might be doctors, then you might say, no, I don't want to be doctor, I'll become an engineer or I'll do something else. So now, first of all, each one of you, all of you sitting here, you cannot become teachers. But each one of you will have in your mind wanting to do something. Now whatever you do, you're going to serve. Now what am I doing? Teacher, service, teaching you. There are different kinds of teachers. Primary teachers, high school teachers, college teachers. You can have hospital teachers. Different kinds of teachers at different levels. Whatever work you choose, when you say your ambition is the work that you will do, the service you will do for the people, and by doing that, what satisfaction, what joy, what happiness you will get by doing that. Okay? So ambition is something that you will do to feel satisfied, to feel joy in your life. So sometimes, say like a teacher, she chooses a profession, she chooses her ambition to be a teacher. Why? She will teach, she will serve, serving a community in learning. How when you learn, when I teach, how you grasp, putting good ideas into you. Or if you want to serve as a doctor, the love for the poor, the love for people, getting people healed of mind and body. If you talk about a policeman, service to the public. Supposing you say a traffic police, bringing order on the street. So like service, in every ambition, when you pick, it's going to be service to others, bringing joy and satisfaction to you. And finally, through your ambition, through your service, in serving, you should become a better person. Only when you can become a better person through your ambition, can you say your ambition was good. Okay, so now what are we going to write? We are going to write about my ambition. My ambition. Now let us say, now sometimes you pick up your ambition, it is there within you. The idea to do a certain work is there deep within you. You love doing gardening, you'll only do that. You love taking care of pet, then you become a veterinary doctor. You love to care people, you rarely land up being a doctor. So now sometimes you pick up this from different people. Now I'll tell you, there was a nice teacher. It happened to be my aunt. She was a headmistress of a junior school and she taught nicely and she was such a role model for us. I admired her, I loved her. I said to myself, one day I want to be like her. You see how we pick up. Now your daddy you see daddy going out to work, service to people, then you say to yourself, I too want to do some service. Now remember, in every service, you must get satisfaction, happiness and joy, not only money, happiness and joy. So now, my ambition, what is my ambition? Let's say, now all of us have some ambition in life, okay? All of us, we all have ambitions in our life. We all have ambitions in our life. When we grow big, we make it very specific. Now, sometimes ambitions are picked up from with the family, within the family or outside. So, we all have ambitions in our life. It is there in our mind what to do. It is there in our mind. What is that? I will become a doctor, I will become this, I will become that, I will serve the poor, I will serve the public, whatever. So, we all have ambitions in our life and it is there in our mind. Now, you have to make it happen, okay? You have to make it. Sometimes our family helps us. Sometimes our family helps us to find it or to make it through, to fulfill it. Sometimes our family helps us to fulfill this. Okay. Now let us say I want to be a writer. That's my ambition. What is my ambition? I want to be a writer. To be able to write, what must you do? You want to be a writer. You love pen. You love words. Okay? Now, I want to be a writer. So, what do? I read a lot of different things. I want to be a writer, so I read a lot of different items. Then I pen down, I write it down. Then what do? Then I write them down. Then what do? I work to fulfill that. What do? I work with people. I work with people who publish. Who publish. Publish what? Little articles. And sometimes you end up writing a story yourself. So maybe that's your ambition. Finally, what can you become? Finally, you will end up writing. You could write. Finally, you could write. You could write a book or two. A book. Finally, you could write a book of stories, short stories. Now, your ambition is what? You want to be a writer. Sometimes you end up writing plays. You end up writing and directing play for others to enjoy. So, when you say you want to write, you want to be a writer, it can be a story writer, it can be a book writer, anything on the paper is some writing to do. Now, the love, my ambition, we all have ambitions in our life. If there is, it is there in our mind, it is there within us. I want to do something. Sometimes our family helps us to fulfill this. So yes, it will be nice you become a writer. Yes, it will be nice if you become a doctor. A family helps us. Then I want to be a writer. Now you say your family's help, you want to be a writer. What are you going to write? To write you must have read a lot. I read a lot of different items. Why do I read a lot of different items? So that I can write. Then I write them down. Then to write that you must work with somebody. I work with people who publish articles, small articles in a book publishing place. Finally, you could write a book or stories of your own. And that is how writing goes on. So when you want to become a writer, you go on to write stories, articles, book and so on. So that is how your ambition takes full. Now when you write all these stories, everything, I feel so happy. Whenever your ambition takes shape, you must feel, I feel so happy that I can write so well. So the main thing is, whatever you do, there should be joy. You must feel, I feel so happy that I can write so well. Now, whatever you do, you feel happy, but you also must give joy for others. Now, my writing and stories, you're writing and you're also writing my writings, that means you'll be writing articles and stories, help others to think. That will help you. The others are reading what you wrote, the story that will help you to think. So their mind is getting better. My writings and stories help others to think more deeply. Maybe you have put in values or things like that. So finally now you got joy, others like reading what you wrote, and so finally what do you say to you? I thank God. I thank God for my ambition as a writer. So whatever you write, you feel happy. I did it. Maybe you wrote an article, you sent it to a magazine and you feel joyful. Maybe you wrote a bigger article, you sent it to a newspaper and you feel so fulfilled. Later you say, why can't I write a story? And you write a story and the book gets published. You feel really happy. Now, people reading that, you have put it in a moral, you have put in something nice for children to think. Then when others, they are reading, they also start thinking, you are helping others' mind to work. So finally, if you got joy giving others joy, reading your work, then definitely that's a correct ambition. Now as a teacher, what we do? As a teacher, what's my ambition? To be a good teacher. So I must be good to you, must be kind to you, my service to you should fulfill what? That you become a good reader, good writer. So when you pick your ambition, remember it should bring joy, satisfaction, happiness into your life. And from the way you serve others, if you are a writer, if through the writing others get joy, pleasure and helps them to think you've done the right, you have picked the right ambition. So I must say, I thank God. Let's read this together. My ambition. We all have ambitions in our life. It is there in our mind. It is there within us. Sometimes our family helps us to fulfill this ambition. This family helps us. I want to be a writer. You are telling yourself, my ambition is to be a writer. I am going to be a writer. Now what do? I read a lot of different items in papers and magazines, and I get a lot of ideas. Then I write them down. I write an article down for publishing, and I get joy and satisfaction from it. Then I work with people who publish articles, stories. And finally, you could write a book of stories of your own. So now, writer, I wrote articles, I started reading, now I am writing my own storybooks, and I am giving children, other people to read, and I feel so happy that I can write so well. Then my writings and stories help others to think better, become better people. Then they begin to think deeply about the stories, the values I have put into the book. Then surely now my ambition is fulfilled. Therefore, I thank God for ambition as a writer is fulfilled. So each one of you, we have different ambition. Think about it. But remember, your ambition should make you a happy person, a joyful person, and what you do should be a service for others, helping you to be a better person through the service, through your ambition. That's what you must keep in mind.